Hi, my name is Stephen McGee, and I'm the author of Toxic Electricity. And we're here today to talk about a subject of toxic electricity, and that is the police. So what we're actually looking at is a video that was taken of my car, that's my truck, during a citation that I received in New Mexico. And the thing you'll notice about the citation video is that it's got full of all kinds of funky noise. And that's not normal. What we're actually looking at is some interference. So if you look at the image at the top of the screen, all that flickering that you're seeing is actually electromagnetic interference on the video system. And what that tells us is that this police car was actually being operated in a very, very high electromagnetic interference environment. And it was picked up on the video. I'm going to put the sound on because you can hear it on the sound. So let's take the mute off. So over time, you can actually hear lots of crackling on the soundtrack as well. And that is also classic symptoms of electromagnetic interference. And one of the things that I want to get over to you is that this particular police officer was actually wearing a microphone. So whether he's in his police car, which he is right now, or whether he's at my car, it's recording his voice. And the reason why this noise on the video is important is simply because the radar system is not certified accurate in high electromagnetic interference environments. It specifically says that in the manual. And this is an illegal citation. So one of the things that you should be aware of is that when you request the video, you should watch it, and you should watch what's going on in the image. Because all this junk stuff that you see going on in the image, the shakiness, the noise lines, the flickering images, all very, very classic, very high electromagnetic interference. And the radar system is subjected to exactly the same electromagnetic interference. And I'm not sure what happened with the police officer, but as soon as he saw this electromagnetic interference on the video, no citation should have been issued, because there's no guarantee that the radar system was accurate in this environment. And it's something to be aware of. If you ever get a citation and the method that they used to give you the citation is radar, well, if your video looks like this, you should motion for a dismissal immediately. And one of the things that I want to say to you is that I actually was at my motion hearing to get this case dismissed earlier this week. And I asked them to show this video so I could show them this electromagnetic interference that was on the video. And they wouldn't let me. And they've actually made it go to trial. So I actually have to go to trial on November 19th in New Mexico. I actually live in Tucson, Arizona. So I've got to drive all the way back to New Mexico and attend trial to get this thrown out. And there's so many problems with the way this citation was issued that I'm quite shocked that it's still going to court. And I just want you to be aware that if you ever get pulled over by a police officer and you are cited for something you haven't done, you should request all the information regarding the citation, because you're entitled to it. It's called a motion for discovery. And there's plenty of stuff on the internet that details how to file a motion for discovery regarding radar. And one of the things you should request is all video and all audio during the citation. And if you do that and you see that the video is all jumpy like this, and it's got all these noise lines in it, and the soundtrack is all crackly, it's an instant motion for dismissal. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.